Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you some new airdrops. We have a new airdrop, a new Solana airdrop which you must join for now. So let's move on to our Telegram channel, Hidden Airdrop Finder. If you didn't join our Telegram channel, then please join our Telegram channel as I provide all the best airdrops here on time. So if you didn't join, then please join. Let's just scroll up and just see this is our new Solana airdrop, INO token airdrop. So just click on this link, INO token. After you click on this link, you just need to wait for it to open on any browser. After you just wait, and now it is open. Just scroll down and click on connect wallet to claim your tokens. Then you need to click on solid.io and just enter your password with which you have created the solid.io account. If you didn't create account on solid.io site, then click on it and sign up and just create an account and then log in. After you just log in on it, you will be just seeing some kind of interface like this. So let's just open it on any browser. So I am opening it over here. I have opened it. So click on connect wallet to claim your tokens. Click on solid.io. If you didn't make account, then make one and enter your password. After you enter your password, you just need to click on connect. Now wallet is connected and it is showing that it will show like three options over here. Then you need to click on first option and a page will open, and then you need to click on approve button. After you click on approve button, you will be redirected back to this airdrop page only, and then it will show like green, which means that you have joined this task, you have completed this task. Now you just need to click on the second task, click on tweet about INO, and then you will be redirected to Twitter account. Then you need to click on tweet. Just click on tweet with the details already entered over here, then click on tweet, and then you will be redirected back to this page, and it will show like this this task has also been done. Now you just need to do the third task if you want. If you want, this is optional task, so click on refer friends and receive 1000 tokens per friend. So click on this. Your after you click on this, your referral link will be copied, and then you can share it with your friends to get extra referrals and to get extra earnings. So friends, this airdrop is very simple to join, and don't miss this airdrop as it's a Solana airdrop, so don't miss it. It has huge potential and you can earn huge through this airdrop. And it is showing that tokens will be distributed on 23rd May. So 23rd May it will come soon, and then your tokens will be distributed to your solid.io account wallet. So this airdrop is done now. Just wait, have patience, and just wait for the airdrop distribution. Now we have joined this new Solana airdrop, new Sol airdrop. So now just move on to our Ape Tools airdrop. This airdrop you should also not miss. If you want, you can join this airdrop. You should join every airdrop so that you can get huge earnings. So let's just click on start button. After you click on start button, you will be shown like this. Then you need to enter all the words written in bold letters. So like this, in my case it is written horse mint green. So you need to just retype these words as it is and submit it. After you submit it, you will have completed verification and you will shown like this tasks. You need to complete all the tasks. Click on join Telegram channel. I have already joined this. Click on follow, like it, Twitter, and share one of our posts. So click on this Twitter and wait for it to open. Click on follow. I am already following it. Scroll down, just click on like and click on this and click on retweet. Then after you click on retweet, then just go back and click on follow our medium. This is an optional task. If you want, you can do. If you don't want, then you can also avoid this task, but you can do for extra earnings. So click on follow our medium and then follow them on medium. Click on follow ICO announcement Twitter and retweet that review. So click on follow and just scroll down, and this is their review, Ape Tools. So just click on like on this post and click on this and then click on retweet. After you click on retweet, you just need to go back to the bot, and after you go back to the bot, you just need to click on ICO announcement channel, this last task. So just join this, and after you join this, you just need to scroll down and click on submit your data. It will ask for your email address. Then you need to submit your email address. Then you need to submit your Twitter ID, Twitter username, which you can get from your Twitter account. If you did this medium task, then click on yes. If you didn't do, then click on no. Skip. So I have done this, so I'm clicking on yes and then submitted my medium profile link, which you can get by opening your account on any browser, and then copy the URL after you have signed in to your medium account. Then copy your URL, so and then submit, paste and submit here. So then you just need to scroll down, and if you did this task, Twitter ICO announcement optional task, then click on yes, and then it will ask for this. So if you have done this, then click on yes, and after that you just need to scroll down and then submit your BEP20 Binance Smart Chain address. so which you can get from your Trust Wallet. I already shown many times in my videos that you can get this address from Trust Wallet. So open your Trust Wallet now and scroll down. Then you just need to click on Binance Smart Chain. This is Smart Chain. Just need to click on this, then click on copy, and after you click on copy, then come here and paste it here. Then you have successfully joined this airdrop after you paste your BP20 Binance Smart Chain address. So this is your referral link. If you want to more earnings, then you can get $1 worth tape for every referral if you refer friends. So then then you can just click on balance to check your balance and check number of users you have invited. So you just need to join this airdrop, and this is a legit airdrop, so please don't miss this airdrop. Just go back now and just scroll up, and you can also check out our other airdrops like see, we have earned $80 earning from an old airdrop, so that's why I tell you don't miss any airdrop, because any airdrop can give you huge earnings. So just scroll up. You can also join this QLeapit airdrop. I have already provided all the details over here in my Telegram channel, so please don't miss this. I have provided all the answers over here and the Telegram name of referral. Enter this in referral section, and then you can just click on claim here and then just go to this page and do all the tasks. It is very easy task. Just scroll up, and if you want you can also do this airdrop. Well, it is for only 3000 first users, so scroll up, and then you can also join this airdrop. This is a big airdrop, and but the drawback is that it's only for lucky random winners. So if you come in the list of random winners, you will get this airdrop, and this airdrop will be really huge airdrop, so please don't miss this airdrop. Just click on this link and then just do all the tasks. Submit your Binance Smart Chain Trust Wallet address and name and address, enter, and then register and do all the tasks. Submit your Binance Smart Chain address. Its supply is also 100 million only, so its token value will be huge. So if you win, then you will be earning huge, so please don't miss this. You can also join this YumSwap or airdrop. It's a bot airdrop, so click on this and just do all the tasks. Its distribution is on 25 June. Then scroll up and you can just join all other airdrops. And friends, if you didn't join this Solanium airdrop, then please join this Solanium airdrop. More details I have provided only on the Telegram channel, so please don't miss this airdrop. It is a very big airdrop and a huge airdrop. It will provide you huge earnings and legit airdrop, so please don't miss this Solanium airdrop as well. So that's all for this video, friends. I hope you like this video. Please support, like, share and subscribe, and if you didn't join our Telegram channel, then please join our Telegram channel, as I provide all the best airdrops here so that you can earn hundreds and even thousands of dollars every month. Thank you.